Hey, Jennifer Krosch here, your favorite Sioux Falls realtor. Hey, just going to give you a tour today of this two-bed, two-bath, 1,150 square foot, 57 square foot home here in southeastern side of Sioux Falls. This is what you're going to be able to buy for $326,900 here in the Sioux Falls area. This is, as I said, a two-bath, two-bed, three-stall townhome on the southeastern side of Sioux Falls, and it is currently listed at $326,900. It's 1,157 square foot. As we go into the front door here, you're going to be greeted by the front foyer. Off to the left, we're going to have the second bedroom and bathroom. It's a decent sized bedroom, I would say. You could probably fit a full bed in here with an additional dresser. I love the 3-panel solid doors. This is built by a noted builder running home here in Sioux Falls. They have been building homes in the area since the late 70s, I believe, maybe even a little bit longer. We've got the mudroom here that has your laundry. Inside these service doors, you'll find your furnace and your water heater, your utilities. Let's go out into the 3-car garage. So a townhome living is much more common in the Sioux Falls, South Dakota area. Where it makes it really special is to be able to have that 3-stall garage. It's very sizable for our South Dakota winters. It gives you plenty of room for storage. Come back into this foyer area, and then we're going to come into the main living space. There is a pantry right here in the hallway. I love the water glass feature on the door, and then we also do have a coat closet right up there by the front door. This is the main living space, living room, kitchen, dining. Got some added features into the kitchen with the tiled backsplash and the floating shelves above the sink. Laminate countertop. It's been outfitted with like a pull-out garbage and some roll-out trays, which make it much easier to get to those items at the back of those cupboards. We've got dining room. This is 0 entry, so you can go right out onto the back covered patio. This one in particular is a corner lot. Again, kitchen, living, dining room. Let's go take a look at the primary. We've got another closet right here before you enter the primary bedroom. In here, you would be able to fit a king-size bed and maybe a piece or two of furniture. It's not the largest space. I love the bathroom. I love the dark cabinets. There's plenty of storage in this bathroom. The double sinks, the mirrors, beautiful features. We've got a 3/4 shower. It's going to be a shower unit with a seat. And then we've got a walk-in closet for all of your clothes. So this is just a tour of a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,157 square foot home located in the southeastern part of Sioux Falls. It's listed for $326,900 with the 3-stall garage. So just an idea of what that amount of money will buy you here in the Sioux Falls, South Dakota area. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. You'll get updates on home tours as they get added. And if you'd like to see this in person, shoot me a message or give me a call. I'd love to take you on a tour. Jennifer Krosch, your local Sioux Falls realtor.